Have you ever stopped to think about how powerful your body truly is? I'm not just talking about strength or endurance. I'm talking about the quiet, invisible power your body holds to repair, renew, and protect itself every single day. Imagine if you could activate that power not through pills or extreme diets, but through simple choices that work with your biology, not against it. That's exactly what science is uncovering, that your body is not just a machine that wears out with age. It's a living, self-healing system designed to fight disease, rebuild tissues, and keep you feeling strong if you know how to unlock it. And that's where Dr. William Li's groundbreaking research comes in. He's shown us that food isn't just fuel, it's information. It talks directly to your cells, your blood vessels, your immune system. Every bite you take can either heal you or harm you. Now, let's be honest, for many men, especially after 50, this becomes more than just an idea. It's personal. You start noticing things change. Energy drops, recovery slows down. That morning jog feels heavier. You might put on weight even though your habits haven't changed much. Maybe your sleep isn't as deep as it used to be, or stress feels harder to shake off. And sometimes that change can feel like a slow slide, like your body is losing its edge, one small piece at a time. But here's the truth: aging is not the enemy. The real issue is how we age, and that depends largely on how we live. Your body's ability to heal doesn't just disappear after 50. It simply needs the right conditions to thrive again. Think of it like a light switch. It's still there, but over time, it gets covered by layers of poor diet, stress, and lack of movement. The goal isn't to find a new switch. It's to clean off the one you already have and turn it back on. Dr. Li's work shows that you have 5 core defense systems constantly working for you: your circulation, regeneration, microbiome, DM protection, and immune system. These aren't just medical concepts, they're your built-in healing network. And when you support these systems, your body naturally resists disease and rebuilds itself stronger. So let's start with the foundation, your daily rhythm. Because healing doesn't just happen in a doctor's office or a supplement bottle, it happens through timing, balance, and lifestyle. You see, one of the most overlooked secrets in longevity isn't just what you do, but when you do it. Timing matters. Your body runs on its own internal clock, what scientists call the circadian rhythm. This rhythm regulates everything: your hormones, digestion, metabolism, and even your immune function. But as we age, especially after 50, that rhythm can get disrupted. Late nights, irregular meals, constant stress, too much screen time, all of it confuses your body's timing. When that happens, your cells stop working in harmony. It's like an orchestra with no conductor. Everyone's playing, but the music turns into noise. Now imagine what happens when you reset that timing, when you eat, sleep, move, and rest in sync with your body's natural rhythm. Suddenly, the healing process becomes effortless. Your cells know when to repair, your metabolism knows when to burn, your immune system knows when to defend. That's when your body starts working for you again, not against you. And the best part, you can begin restoring that rhythm in simple ways. Small, consistent changes, not big, complicated routines. Because healing doesn't require perfection, it requires awareness. Let's talk about timing, because when you eat, sleep, and move matters just as much as what you do. Most people think health is only about calories, workouts, or supplements, but your body doesn't operate on random timing. It follows patterns, powerful rhythms designed to protect you. Take eating, for example. The body isn't meant to be constantly digesting. When you're always snacking or eating late into the night, your metabolism never gets a break. After 50, this becomes especially important because your metabolism naturally slows down. But when you give your body time to rest between meals, say 12 to 14 hours overnight, something amazing happens. Your cells begin a cleaning process called autophagy. It's like your body's nightly housekeeping service, removing damaged cells and making room for new, healthy ones. Dr. William Li calls this the activation of your body's defense systems. During these fasting hours, your body shifts from storage mode to repair mode. In other words, when you stop eating at night, your body starts healing. And it's not about starving yourself, it's about rhythm. You can start simple. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Let your body rest overnight without late night snacks. Then, when you wake up, hydrate before eating: water, green tea, or black coffee. This gentle rhythm tells your body it's time to repair, not just digest. Now, let's talk about food, because food is information for your healing systems. Every bite you take sends messages to your body. Some foods whisper heal, while others shout harm. To start, Li's research shows that foods like tomatoes, green tea, berries, olive oil, nuts, and leafy greens help activate angiogenesis, which means they support the healthy growth of blood vessels. Why does that matter? Because your blood vessels are the lifeline that deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Healthy blood flow means better recovery, stronger energy, and clearer thinking, especially important for men over 50 who want to stay active and sharp. Add foods rich in polyphenols like blueberries, dark chocolate, and green tea. These natural compounds protect your DNA from damage and slow down aging at the cellular level. Think of it as your body's internal armor. And don't forget about fiber. When you feed your gut with fiber-rich foods, beans, oats, apples, flaxseed, you're actually feeding the trillions of good bacteria that live inside you. These microbes produce healing compounds that calm inflammation, boost your immune system, and even improve your mood. A healthy gut literally teaches your body how to heal. Movement is another form of medicine. You don't need to lift heavy or run marathons. Just move daily. A 20-minute brisk walk, some light stretching, or even climbing stairs can stimulate blood flow, reduce inflammation, and trigger your body's natural repair systems. The key is consistency, not intensity. Small, steady actions done daily are far more powerful than extreme efforts done occasionally. The body loves rhythm, regular meals, regular sleep, regular movement. When you align with that rhythm, your body begins to trust you again. And here's what most people don't realize. When you support your healing systems, everything becomes easier. Your energy returns, your focus sharpens. Even your skin starts to glow again, because health isn't something you chase, it's something you allow. So, let's keep going. In the next part, we'll talk about one of the most underestimated healing forces in your body, your immune system. You'll see how food, mindset, and simple lifestyle shifts can retrain your immunity to protect you from the inside out. Let's take a moment to talk about your immune system, your body's built-in defense army. It's working for you right now, even as you listen. Every second, it's scanning, repairing, and protecting you from bacteria, viruses, and even damaged cells that could grow into disease. It's the silent guardian that never sleeps. But here's the problem. After 50, many men find that their immune systems start to slow down or become unbalanced. Instead of acting like a smart defense system, it starts reacting too much or too little. You get sick more often, your recovery takes longer, or you just don't feel as resilient as you used to. Dr. William Lee's research shows something fascinating. Your immune system doesn't just defend you, it also heals you. It rebuilds tissues, clears out old or damaged cells, and communicates with your other defense systems to keep your body balanced. But for it to do that, it needs the right support, not from pills, but from your daily choices. Let's start with inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. Short-term inflammation is healing. It's your body's repair mode. But when it stays on too long, it turns against you. Chronic inflammation is like a slow, burning fire that damages your blood vessels, weakens your immunity, and accelerates aging. The good news? You can calm that fire. You can teach your body to turn inflammation on when needed and off when the job is done. Lee calls this process immune balance. And the secret to achieving it lies in your lifestyle, especially your diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds help your body produce anti-inflammatory molecules. Colorful fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in antioxidants like blueberries, spinach, and turmeric, neutralize the free radicals that fuel inflammation. Even something as simple as drinking green tea daily can make a difference. It contains catechins, powerful compounds that help your immune cells communicate better and reduce unnecessary inflammation. But healing isn't just physical, it's also emotional. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system faster than almost anything else. When your mind is always in fight or flight mode, your body diverts energy away from repair and into survival. Over time, that constant stress becomes toxic. So part of unlocking your healing power is learning to calm your mind. Deep breathing, gratitude, time in nature, prayer, or even quiet reflection. These simple moments tell your body, you're safe now. You can heal. Sleep is another powerful healer. During deep sleep, your immune system resets. Your body produces healing hormones, regenerates tissues, and clears waste from your brain. That's why men who get consistent quality sleep often notice better focus, faster recovery, and stronger resistance to illness. And here's the best part. Your immune system never forgets how to heal. No matter your age, when you feed it right, move regularly, rest deeply, and manage stress, it bounces back. It remembers what to do. You just have to give it the right conditions. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to fix itself. It's been doing that since the day you were born. All you have to do is step out of its way and let it work. Now, in the next part, we'll talk about cellular regeneration, how your body creates new cells, repairs old ones, and how certain foods and habits can literally slow aging and keep you feeling vibrant from the inside out. Now let's talk about one of the most fascinating powers your body has, regeneration. The ability to heal, renew, and rebuild itself from the inside out. Every moment, your body is quietly replacing old, tired cells with brand new ones. Your skin, your muscles, your gut, even your brain, they're constantly turning over. You're not the same person you were a year ago on a cellular level. That's how powerful your body's renewal system is. But as we age, that renewal process can slow down. The signals that tell your cells to repair start to fade. Old cells linger longer, new ones form more slowly, And that's when we begin to feel older, stiff joints, slower recovery, lower energy, dull skin, and weaker muscles. The truth is, it's not that your body can't regenerate, it's that the system needs a little support. And Dr. William Lee's research has shown that what you eat, how you move, and even how you rest can turn those repair signals back on. Let's start with what's on your plate. Certain foods have been shown to literally activate your body's stem cells. Those master cells that can transform into whatever your body needs: new muscle, new tissue, even new blood vessels. Blueberries, pomegranates, and dark leafy greens are like fuel for regeneration. They contain compounds that protect stem cells from damage and help them stay active longer. Mushrooms, especially shiitake and maitake, help your immune system support tissue repair. Even something as simple as eating tomatoes, rich in lycopene, helps maintain the lining of your blood vessels and keeps your circulation youthful. Dr. Lee calls this eating to regenerate. You're not just preventing disease, you're teaching your body how to rebuild itself stronger. Movement plays a role too. Moderate, consistent exercise, walking, swimming, cycling, or light resistance training increases blood flow and signals your stem cells to wake up. That's why even gentle daily movement can make you feel years younger. Your muscles become more efficient, your joints feel more alive, and your brain gets more oxygen. But there's another key: recovery. Regeneration happens when you rest. It's during deep sleep, calm moments, and quiet time that your body rebuilds what daily life wears down. Without rest, even the best diet or exercise plan can't do its full job. So instead of thinking, I need to push harder, start thinking, I need to recover smarter. Balance is the real secret to longevity. The body loves cycles: effort and rest, movement and stillness, feeding and fasting. When you honor those cycles, your body thanks you with strength, clarity, and resilience. And don't underestimate the power of your mindset. What you believe about aging affects how your cells behave. When you see yourself as strong, capable, and growing wiser, not weaker, your body follows that message. Your brain releases healing chemicals that support growth and repair. You're not fighting age, you're collaborating with time. You're working with your biology, not against it. And as you do that, you begin to experience something incredible. Your energy rises, your mind clears, and your confidence returns. You realize your body still has so much potential left. It just needed you to believe in it again. In the final part, we'll bring it all together: how to live in a way that keeps your body's healing system switched on every day. You'll learn how small, consistent habits can turn into a lifelong rhythm of health, strength, and vitality. So here we are, the moment where everything comes together. You've learned that your body isn't a machine that simply wears down with time. It's a living, self-healing system, constantly communicating, repairing, and renewing. The challenge isn't that you're aging, it's that your body has been waiting for you to listen again. Dr. William Lee's message is simple but powerful. Your health is not determined by your genetics or your age. It's shaped by how well you support your body's natural defense systems through food, rest, movement, and mindset. Think about it. Every choice you make sends a message. When you eat whole, colorful foods, your body hears heal. When you move your body each day, it hears stay strong. When you rest deeply and reduce stress, it hears you're safe, it's time to repair. And when you think positively and stay curious about life, your brain releases chemicals that tell every cell, keep growing. That's the science of healing. You don't need extreme diets, expensive supplements, or constant worry about aging. You just need to create an environment where your body feels supported, and it will do the rest. Start small. Pick one thing today. Maybe it's adding a handful of berries to your breakfast. Maybe it's taking a walk after dinner instead of scrolling through your phone. Maybe it's going to bed 30 minutes earlier or taking 5 minutes each morning to breathe deeply and be grateful. These small actions might not seem like much in the moment, but your body notices. Over time, they create a ripple effect. Your energy starts to return. Your mind feels clearer. Your body moves easier. You start to feel alive again, not just existing, but thriving. And remember, healing isn't a quick fix. It's a rhythm, a lifestyle, a way of living in harmony with yourself. You're not trying to go back in time. You're building a stronger version of yourself for the years ahead. Men over 50 have an incredible opportunity to redefine what aging looks like, to show the world that vitality doesn't fade with time, it evolves. That wisdom, discipline, and consistency can create a new kind of strength, one that radiates from the inside out. So the next time you look in the mirror, don't see what's changed, see what's possible. Every cell in your body is listening to the choices you make. Every heartbeat, every breath, every meal is a chance to turn your body's healing power back on. Your body knows what to do. It's been doing it since the beginning. You just have to give it permission, feed it right, move it daily, let it rest, and above all, believe in its ability to heal, because when you do, you unlock something far greater than health. You unlock life itself.